Hi kids! Today's story is Two Birds. A parrot lived in a tree. One day, it flew away in search of food. Days passed, and a pigeon found the empty nest of the parrot, deciding to make it its new home. After some time, the parrot returned to its nest only to find a pigeon residing there. The parrot became angry and started fighting with the pigeon. The parrot asked the pigeon to leave its nest, but the pigeon replied that it was staying because the nest had been empty. At that moment, a jackal happened to be passing by. He asked both of them not to fight and invited them to come to him, promising to help resolve the problem. However, as soon as they approached the jackal, it pounced on them and ate them both. Moral: sometimes a fight between two people can benefit the third one. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.